आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं और पहली बार वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और बेल आइकन को भी जरूर दबाएं, क्योंकि हमें आपके सपोर्ट की बहुत जरूरत है। आपके बिना हम कुछ भी नहीं हैं। तो आप इस चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को लाइक भी जरूर करें। अपने दोस्तों को भी शेयर करें और व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक पर कहीं भी इसे शेयर जरूर करें।
So student, although this is a virtual mode, but I want everyone to be very receptive during this session, and we will talk in the English, Hindi, Marathi. We will make a combination of this so that it is very easy to for your understanding also. And I hope everybody is comfortable with English. Please type in your chat box. Everyone is comfortable with English. Yes, I'm getting most of the response. Yes. Okay, so अपन काय करू अपन today we will just give an introduction of PLM, because most of you have heard this word first time, and most of you have been hearing this word from the last year also. So I just want to tell you a few things for this subject before introduction. So this subject is like it is having a lot of practical aspect. Okay, so I want more all of you to have a communication with your seniors. The seniors means who are pass outs, and also with your alumni, because the alumni students who are working in the industry, they are a very good resource for you. Okay, because if they are in, if you are in contact with them, so you will get all the recent advancement, whatever is going in the industry, and also they will be very useful for your placement also. I think some of the mic is unmuted. Professor, is your mic? Yes, okay. Thank you. So we'll just start with today the basic of PLM. Okay, so what is PLM? Very first question from my side. So most of you have known, and I have also kept in the WhatsApp group. So that is a product life cycle management. Product life cycle management. Okay. So why you are understanding this subject? Very brief about this. For example, you are a student, you are now in BTech last year in the mechanical department, okay, and you are coming to college. Okay, college, you are reporting to your particular class. To a particular class, there is a particular subject teacher. Okay, that subject teacher is reporting to HOD or the dean, and dean is reporting to director, and director is reporting to management. Okay, so this is one lineage. Similarly, there are multiple departments in the colleges, like mechanical, chemical, then electronics. Okay, so just imagine if all the departments are working independently, whether our MIT will work properly? No, there should be common connect. For example, in our college, a common connect is a director. A director, every department is responsible and committed to answer to a director. Okay. Rupesh sir, you can just see the questions. Some of the students are posing the question, so you can just check the question box. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So mainly there should be some connect, then only the system works properly. Okay. So that is the same application we need to see in the industry also, where the PLM will be used and why the PLM is required. Very simple thing. I'll just show you one small clip. Before that, I need to tell you one simple thing. तुम लोगों का जनरेशन, यू आर वेरी एडिक्वेट टू द सोशल मीडिया. तुम लोगों को सोशल मीडिया के साथ बहुत ज्यादा अटैचमेंट है. ओके, I'll just take a simple example of PLM is a movie. Any movie you take it. That is a simple example of PLM. That is not product lifecycle management. That is a video lifecycle management. Okay, for example, तुम लोगों ने अभी रिसेंटली एक अच्छा मूवी देखा होगा, स्त्री देखा है सब लोगों ने? Just type in your chat box if you have seen the Stree movie. Have you seen the Stree? Okay, please type what is a very popular dialogue in that movie. Yes, I'm getting very interesting reply. Yes. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. What is a popular dialogue you have heard in that movie? Anyone can tell. Anyone can just write in the chat box. What is a popular dialogue you have heard in that movie? Yes, Dinesh has wrote. Oh, Stree Kalana. Yes, yes, yes. Shahrukh has also wrote. Very good. So that is a very popular dialogue in that movie. Okay, just imagine if that movie, if it is not made in 3 hours, it would have been like 1 hour or like 5 hours. Then it would have been no interest. Like Hollywood movies, you see, वो बहुत छोटी होती है, 1 या 2 घंटे की, पर उसमें क्लाइमेक्स बहुत जबरदस्त होता है, क्योंकि उसका जो फिल्म मैनेजमेंट होता है बहुत अच्छे से किया रहता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर ये स्त्री मूवी में जो डायलॉग था, स्त्री कल आना, सब लोगों ने देखा होगा, जनरली वो शॉट है वो रात को ही होता है. अगर वही शॉट डायरेक्टर ने दिन में किया रहता, तो कोई उससे डरा रहता क्या? नहीं डरा रहता, क्योंकि उसका जो मैनेजमेंट है, कैसे क्लिप्स जाना चाहिए, जैसे क्लाइमेक्स बनेगा, कौन से क्लिप कब आना चाहिए, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज film life cycle management. Okay, I'll just show you one small clip to just give you a simple idea again. Again, I'm telling you, don't be afraid by seeing this clip. This is just for entertainment. Okay, so this is a small clip. Oh, yes. Oh, I hope nobody is afraid of this. Okay, so in this clip also, if the director has put this clip in the morning, in the daylight, कोई उसे डरा रहता क्या? नहीं डरा रहता. So that's why the management, the how the cycle should go, how the cycle should work, how the work in the industry should go has to be managed properly. तुम लोगों को मैंने सिंपल एग्जांपल एक पिक्चर का दिया, so that because your generation is more likely with the connected with the movies and the web series and everything, so तुम लोगों को इससे ज्यादा आइडिया आएगा. तो जैसे हम लोग पिक्चर को प्रॉपरली एक एक क्लिप्स के बाद मैनेज करके 3 घंटे का मूवी बनाते हैं या वेब सीरीज बनाते हैं, जो भी बनाते हैं, जिससे कि क्लाइमेक्स प्रॉपरली विजिटर के पास जाना चाहिए या फिर हमारे पास आना चाहिए. Same way, the PLM is like that. So PLM has to be managed properly in the industry so that the product which is coming out has to be with proper benefits and advantage. Okay. So just go next. So I think you might have a lot of idea like what is PLM? Is it CAD? CAD everybody knows. Can you type in your chat box what is CAD? I want you answer what is CAD. What do you understand by CAD? I think most of you know what is CAD. CAD is this computer aided design. Okay, is it DM? What is DM? WhatsApp के टर्म्स में नहीं, WhatsApp में DM मतलब पता है क्या होता है, सबको पता होगा WhatsApp में DM मतलब क्या होता है. What is DM in terms of mechanical engineering or the design engineering? Anyone please type in your chat box if you know what is DM. Okay, DM is new for you. Okay, so DM is a digital manufacturing. Yes, someone has typed correctly. Yes, digital manufacturing. Yes, DM is a digital manufacturing. Yes. So is it CAD or digital manufacturing? Is it PDB or PDM? What is PDB and PDM? Any idea? What is PDB and PDM? What is PDB? Okay, I'll show you. This is a new word for you. See, PDB is product data backbone. Okay, and PDM is product data management. Okay, is it PPM? What is PPM? PPM is product planning management. And what is ERP? I think ERP, most of you have noticed. What is ERP? Let's type in your chat box if you know what is ERP. ERP, quick. I want quick answer for somebody. Yes, enterprise resource planning. Yes. Most of you have got the right answer. So yes, ERP is what? Enterprise resource planning. Okay. Then next, somebody will have this thing, whether it is a process or it is approach or it is a strategy. So PLM is either is it a process, an approach, or strategy? I hope most of you have this question in your mind before starting today's lecture. Or is it a software application? Okay. Is it all the above or some of the few? Or what exactly is the PLM? Okay, so I've shown you few things here. Now I want quickly to type in your chat box, what do you think out of this is a PLM? Everybody should type. I want you to be proactive. Actually, I make people to talk during the session, but there are 120 students, and if 120 students talk, then our time will be very less. So I want everybody to type in a chat box. And one more thing I need to tell you, मैंने ये go to webinar में एक चीज करके रखा है, तुम लोग जितना टाइपिंग करोगे तुम्हारे नाम के आगे 1 2 3 बढ़ते जाएगा. So at the end of the week I will check who student and how much he is interactive and he is having presence of mind during the session. Yes, so most of you are writing SAP, Colpol, yes. Colpol is also one software, that is a PLM software, yes. Okay, so most of you are writing very good answers, yes. All of them, yeah, somebody has written all of them, very good. Yes, so mostly it is a combination of all these things. So let's go to brief definition of PLM. Yes, so PLM is what? It's a business strategy of managing the entire life cycle of the product from its conception through design, manufacture to service and disposal. Okay. So what is the PLM? Very simple definition. It's a business strategy. Okay. For managing the entire life cycle from its conception, design, manufacturing, service and disposal. Okay. So this is a very simple definition. I hope most of you are taking notes in your notebook. If you are not taking, so I request everybody to sit with some notebook and pen next time, because हम लोग जितना लिखते हैं उतना दिमाग में जाता है. जितना हम लोग फोटो लेंगे या स्नैप लेंगे या फिर जस्ट ऐसे करेंगे ना, तो वो मोबाइल को याद हो जाएगा बट हमको याद नहीं रहेगा. You can just check in your mobile how many snaps you have taken till now. But हम लोग वो snaps कभी पढ़ते नहीं है. It's just in the mobile memory only. तो मोबाइल का मेमोरी शार्प हो जाता है, हम लोगों का मेमोरी शार्प नहीं होता. Yes. So just a small definition of this PLM, short definition. Okay, you are seeing these two charts now here. Don't worry about this chart. I'll just give you the short about this. This is called as PD, that is called as product design chart, and this is a PDD, product development, product design and development. So this thing we'll understand in the deep in the second chapter. We are not going to discuss it now. Okay. Anyone has some question? Please, anybody has some question? Rupesh sir, any pressing question from the student till now?
No.
Okay. So let's move to next part. Okay. Now this is very interesting. So we have discussed what is the basic about the PLM. Okay. So PLM can be a product. A product may be a tangible product. Okay, very quick question for you. What is this symbol for? Tangible product. Quickly write in your chat box. What is this symbol for? I want everybody
make
to
it
write.
Full screen, sir. Monish sir, can you make it full screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's there. Yeah. So what is this symbol about? Yes, I'm getting most of you. Yes, it's a Audi. Yeah, correct. So I think that is a very popular. Somebody from Kolhapur, that vehicle is very popular in Kolhapur. तिकडे त्याला म्हणतात 4 बांगड्यावाली गाडी. Okay, so that is a very tangible product. So Kolhapur, this is very famous. The farmer there drive this vehicle. They go to shop and they tell them, "मला 4 बांगड्यावाली गाडी पाहिजे." Okay, so that is a tangible product. So to manage the product from this like body from the start to the end. Then there is intangible product. Okay, what is intangible product? Okay, tell me what is this symbol logo for this second one? This one? This logo. I'll just take a highlighter. Okay, not highlighter. I want spotlight. Yeah, this one. Anyone? What is that logo? Yes, Chetan told correct. Mitsubishi. Why I told them in intangible product? Because you know Mitsubishi four-wheeler is not very popular. It has only one very good brand. Can anybody tell me what is that brand? Mitsubishi has a very good brand, very popular brand in India. Yes, Govind told correct. Pajero. So Pajero was the only brand which is very popular in India. So it's a like intangible product because Mitsubishi has not developed very good market in India. Then it can be like a software product. Yeah. Third logo. What is this logo about? Third logo. Just type in your chat box. Okay, somebody is typing no Marathi. Okay, no problem. Yes. So what is this third logo? Autodesk. Autodesk symbol. Vedanta all correct. Yes, very good. So it can be like PLM can be used for the software product also to manage the software from the scratch to the final delivery, and then or an insurance policy. So this is very clear. Logo is very open. It's a LIC. जिंदगी के साथ भी जिंदगी के बाद भी. Okay. So that product maybe service can be service also. Okay, so PLM is applicable for all the things. Either it is a product, or it's a software, or it's an insurance policy. Okay. Okay. Now somebody was asking in the question, what is the layman definition? Yes. So layman definition is PLM is the activity of managing a product throughout its life cycle from cradle to grave. Okay, so you can see just a small photo here from cradle. Cradle means the child has just born and to the grave, Dafna Nikat. So generally in India we call this Tata is something a company जो इसके पास सारे product है. Wait, this my software white got. Okay. So Tata is a company जो तुम्हारे बचपन से पैदा होने से बच्चे के मरने तक सब प्रोडक्ट सप्लाई करती है. So वैसे ही PLM हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? It's an activity of managing a product throughout its life cycle from cradle to grave. Okay. Okay, one more very simple question I need to ask you here. See, this cradle is like birth, B. Okay. And grave is like your death. So you are starting your life journey from B and you are ending it to C. For example, I will just write it down. So this is B, okay, and this is D. Okay, so I want now, so this is your life journey, okay, B to D. Okay, what is between B to D as per alphabets? As per alphabet, there is a C. Okay, now you tell me what is this C? Write in your chat box. I want to just check the answers from your side. What is this C? What C stands for? Please think and write. I'll just give you 1 second. 1 minute, not 1 second. What is this C? No. C is PLM. Oh, what is this? C? How C is PLM? You are doing between the but two, that is C. Oh, PLM. Yeah. Okay. So you are telling it like other way. Yeah, it's sort of PLM, but C starts from C only. That word starts from C. That word starts from C. No one? Yes, somebody is trying. Okay. No. Somebody has got no. Okay. No. Cheer, challenge, cycle, career, contribution, cause, cycle. No. You're getting almost clear. Very close. change, compatibility, no. So that is the one word which you do throughout your life. Corporation, cycle, circle, no. Cradles, no. Try. Someone will get the right answer, I think. Cycle, chain, consume, no. Very good. I'm getting a lot of answers. Almost 50 students have answered. Very good. So just okay, I will tell you the answer now. Customer, competition, change, no. Creation, coordination. You are just getting nearby. Collaborate, compromise. Wow. Shubham has told compromise. So this C stands for very unique word, collage. Wow, somebody has written collage. So no. Yes, Rahul got the right answer. Rahul Gaikwad. Very good. You have got a right answer. That is choice. Yes, you have got a right answer. So C stands for choice. Just see this choice word. You do everything with your choice, starting from birth to your last moment, that is death. And what is the unique thing in this? You know this thing? You cannot control B and D, but you can control C. You can control C. That is the beauty of this. Clear? So I'll just tell you this thing, you think of it. Can you control your birth? No. You cannot control. You cannot tell, oh, मुझे रिलायंस अंबानी के घर में पैदा होने का है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Can you control your death? No, no. भगवान मुझे अभी कोरोना से नहीं मरने का है. मुझे 50 साल बाद जीना है, फिर मरना है. No, you cannot do it. But you can control your choice. Whatever choice you are making. If you are going out without mask, without sanitizer, without everything, then you are gone. Then your D will come very soon. Yes. So C is very, very important, which you can control and you can manage. Okay. Okay. Let's come to our topic. So very layman definition I've given you. Okay. That is activity managed throughout its life cycle from cradle to grave. Okay. Now let's go to next. Okay. I'll just remove this thing. Erase all right. Okay. Sir, can you put a poll question, Rupesh sir? Next poll question.
Okay.
Yeah. Student, please just answer the next poll question. I will just take a water. Quickly answer this question. Wow, today attendees are 131, 128. Very good. So quickly answer this poll question. I'm giving you 1 minute.
I hope all of you are giving the poll questions and please take it seriously. Okay, all questions are important for us.
80% have voted, 20% remaining.
And I hope that all of you are clear about the PLM. What exactly is PLM? Okay. Still, if you have any questions regarding the PLM, where exactly it is used, and that all that you can type in the question box. Okay. So I will be answering that question. So please be free while writing the questions. So in while you also you can ask the question to the sir. Just you have to raise your hand.
Okay, 90% voted. Sir, we can put it off. No. Okay, so poll result, you can just see. Attendees are giving. Okay, poll result is 43% is design. Wow, most of you want to work in design. Very good. 24% go to production, want to go to production. Only 9% for supply chain, 23% for quality control. Wow, very nice. So most of you have to go to design. That's nice. Okay. So this, okay. So you have chosen PLM, very appropriate subject. Okay. So let's move to next. Okay. So now I'll give you, I'll just tell you this simple thing. Okay. Okay, so you are seeing this photo on your on your screen. Okay, so first video shows you traditional system engineering, and second model. So second is the model-based system engineering, or that is simply like PLM system-based engineering. Okay, so most of you have told me you want to work in design. So wait, I will just show you what are the work you need to do in the particular segments. For example, in design. So generally in design, in India, most of you will be aware of it. We don't do core design. Okay, so core design is generally done in the foreign countries, because India in the before 5 6 years there were no very good designers in India. So nowadays the field is very blooming. So nowadays, so design is increasing. So design prospect is also increasing. There are many chances where you can do a lot of research and development in this. Okay, somebody is telling they want to work in the supply chain. So supply chain means generally the shipping, how the flow of a material is happening in the industry, factories. Okay, somebody want to work in QC. QC is very simple. That is a quality control, and in this you need to check whatever you have been you manufacturing, is that up to the mark. Production, I think most of you have known it. It's a field work. Okay, mostly the production is a field work. So basically, you can see this cycle. I'm just showing you. So I'll just take highlighter. Okay. So generally, it starts with design. Okay. Then pre-production, production, then quality control, then supply chain. Okay. Generally, and then there's planning, and factories are mostly if you are setting up a big plant. Okay. So if you integrate all this thing, if you integrate everything in this, so it becomes your product lifecycle management software. Okay, it is called as product lifecycle management. Is this clear? Now I will just tell you one simple example. I'm working closely with JCB. Okay, JCB को हम लोग एक ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं उनके एम्प्लॉइज को. जो एम्प्लॉइज आर वर्किंग इन द फैक्ट्रीज, सो दे आर लाइक डिप्लोमा होल्डर्स. वो लोग डिप्लोमा होल्डर है. तो डिप्लोमा होल्डर को हम लोग ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं, थोड़ा बेसिक मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के बारे में बता रहे हैं. हम लोग उनको थोड़ा बेसिक डिजाइन सिखा रहे हैं, बेसिक vocabularies, yeah, like soft skills we are giving them, behavioral training we are giving to them, so that they will be uplifted from the, now they are a worker working on the assembly line or the production or the manufacturing plant. So we want to make them a supervisor. Okay, so generally if a supervisor is there in a factory, so he should have a knowledge of production, quality control, and some knowledge about the design. Then he is a supervisor. So मैं तुम लोगों को ये क्यों बता रहा था JCB का? Because earlier many industries or factories, they don't have this PLM software. So you can see a PLM management software. It was not working there. So mostly they were working like this. I'll just show you. So this is a typical example. So you can see the first part of here. Just put a highlighter. So first part of here. So mostly the companies like JCB, many of the companies which are working from last 10-20 years, so वो लोग इस सिनेरियो में काम करते हैं, जिसमें उनके पास अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट होते हैं. जैसे मार्केटिंग का डिपार्टमेंट है, सॉफ्टवेयर का डिपार्टमेंट है, एनालिसिस का डिपार्टमेंट है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, डिजाइन. ओके, सो दे आर वर्किंग independently, but they are sharing the data mutually, and there is some dependency between their documents. Okay, so 90% company इस सिनेरियो में काम कर रहे थे. But now due to this pandemic, coronavirus, you have seen that many of the companies are going online. They're working in a virtual mode. Mostly the software companies, they are working in a virtual mode. Okay, so if they don't have such type of scenario, it is very difficult to collaborate the things and to get the output of the work, output from the team. So this is our whole team for a company. सो JCB का मैं तुम लोगों को एक स्टडी बताता हूँ. रिसेंटली उनके पास भी PLM पहले नहीं था, तो अभी उनको इतना प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है टू मैनेज ऑल दिस थिंग. नाउ they are using PLM, but they are using for very simple purpose like accounting or for the inventory. But now they are putting PLM across all the domain. So PLM का एक simple meaning क्या है कि if you are not working independently in team and just sharing the information about one another, but there is no central connection. So that is like a traditional system of engineering, जो तुम लोगों ने बहुत सारी जगह देखा भी होगा, बहुत सारी जगह किया भी होगा. For example, in the college scenario, if all the departments are working independently, so that is called as traditional system. But if that all the departments are connected to one center system, that is a director in a college, or like in a GCB, the central system is like a management system. Management person are all there, so they take a decision according to the data supplied from all other departments. So in a crux, PLM क्या है कि अगर मैं सारे डिपार्टमेंट को एक सेंट्रली कनेक्ट कर देता हूँ और उस सेंट्रल डिपार्टमेंट से, दैट इज अ टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट, so उससे मैं इन सब डिपार्टमेंट को कंट्रोल करता हूँ, that is a implementation of a PLM. Okay, so I'm just giving you a simple definition. What is a PLM? To integrate all this department to make this PLM, product lifecycle management software. This is one part of it. Okay, but for making a software, I think most of you have done the internship. किसी ने software में भी internship किया है. So internship में तुम लोगों को भी, मतलब software company में तुम लोगों को समझ में आएगा, software बस बनाना important नहीं है. Software बनाने के पहले इसका domain knowledge होना चाहिए. If you don't have a domain knowledge, then it is useless. You cannot build up a software, so you cannot develop a software. Okay, is this clear? So anyone has some doubt? Please type in a question box if somebody has some doubts, and you can also raise hand if you want to have some doubt. I will unmute someone. I can unmute from myself also if you have a doubt. Okay, so I can see some of the students who are not attentive, inattentive. In this GoToWebinar, there is a very good thing. I can check from here. Like Balaji Falke, he is inattentive. Okay, okay, okay. So now most of you are clear. Okay. Nobody has a question. Rupesh, anybody has some question?
One student have a question that what PPM stand for.
What is?
PPM.
So your voice is cutting. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
One student have one question that what is the PPM stand for?
Yes, PPM. What is PPM? Product Portfolio Management. Product Portfolio Management. Okay. Okay. I want this should be interactive. I want to ask, what is portfolio then? Do you understand what is portfolio? Product Portfolio Management. Portfolio is like, for example, Maruti. You take a simple example, Maruti. So Maruti is like automobile company, but its portfolio, like you take some hatchback cars. So Maruti in a hatchback section, so hatchback is a portfolio. So in that hatchback cars, they are having various cars like Zen, Alto, they are all hatchback. Then WagonR, then there is A-Star, then Baleno. Baleno is like, no, not hatchback exactly, it's a hatchback and sedan both. Okay. So that is a portfolio. So product portfolio management is a PPM. Okay. 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 So let's move to next. Okay. This is a simple diagram in front of you. So I want you just see this diagram for 1 minute, and you need to tell me what is the difference between the two diagrams. I will unmute some of the student now. You just raise your hand if you know if you want to speak, what is the difference between this? Right? Yes, anyone can do it. I will unmute from myself, from my side to that particular student. You can raise your hand if you want to speak out. And I want you should speak out. What is the difference between these two diagrams you are seeing on the screen? Rupesh, just check if anybody has a hand raise. If you don't, if you're not putting hand raise, then I will unmute from myself or my side. Anyone has a hand raise?
We'll do unmute randomly.
Okay, I'll just make anyone from my side. Yes, Govin, you can tell. I have unmuted you. Govin, you can unmute from yourself. Self-muted. You can unmute and you can speak. Govin. Hello, Govin, are you there? You can unmute and you can speak.
Hello.
Yes, Govin. Yes.
Hello.
You can speak.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, it is
So
audible.
the one in the orange t-shirt is having an instrument to see whether there is any mistake, and is having a list in which he can just check whether the part is out of the allowance range, like 0.2, 3.4. And in one with the green t-shirt doesn't have any instrument and is just having a visual inspection.
Very good. Correct. Very good, Govin. Yeah, now I will ask some other student. Ashwini. Ashwini is there. You can unmute yourself, Ashwini Dongre. Ashwini Dongre.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell what is the difference between these two?
Sir, the person in orange shirt is doing the right thing, like he's measuring that component, means he's taking a reading in a proper manner, and the one with the green is just doing a visual inspection, and that is the like wrong way of doing the things.
Correct. Very good. So Ashwini
Thank
and
you, sir.
Govind have told very correct answer. So this diagram why I have shown you, मैंने तुम लोगों को क्यों बताया? क्योंकि ये PLM का सबसे छोटा पार्ट है. PLM जो हम लोग implement करेंगे, when you are implementing PLM, so this is a very basic activity which you need to see how the workers are taking the measurements. So there is a central system in the workshop. So they are showing you, okay, these are the measurement, this is the surface finish, this is the tolerance, okay. So this is a dimension, okay. So how the workers are measuring it? Is the workers getting the measurement as per the display, or they are just doing like Indian mentality? Indian mentality एक बहुत popular है, पता है? चलता है चलने वाला वो जो है ना वो इंडियन मेंटालिटी है. चलता है. So this worker is like चलता है. He is like yes चलता है. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? गलत तो गलत, क्या होगा? एक छोटा सा गेयर गलत हो जाएगा और क्या होगा? वो आगे जाके कहीं पे तो असेंबली में अटक जाएगा, वापस आ जाएगा. But this guy is responsible, he is committed, and he is being trained in PLM system. So properly seeing the screen, he is taking the measurements. Okay. So this, why I'm showing you this, because this is a very small part of the PLM. So after this lecture, you should be very clear what is PLM. That is a broad perspective. बहुत बड़ा है PLM, एकदम छोटा नहीं है, बहुत बड़ा चीज है. बट उसके अंदर तुम एक छोटा सा रोल प्ले कर सकते हो. As a design engineer, as a quality engineer, as a manufacturing person, as a supply chain management person, or as a R&D engineer. So whatever role you are playing it, you need to play a appropriate role by going in the PLM system. Okay.
Should we go for the
So,
next
Rupesh-
poll question, sir?
Yeah, sir. You can run the next poll question. Okay, so very simple question, जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चन. PLM, so तुम लोगों ने अभी देखा PLM के कितने एडवांटेज है, तो उससे तुम्हें क्या समझ में आता है, क्या क्या फायदा होगा कंपनी को?
Throughout this course, you will learn so many things, so that this question will be understood at the end of the course also. But at the start, whatever you know, that from that you can answer this question. It's very big term, so it will take some time to understand whole PLM cycle and all its applications. But whatever till time, what did you learn that you from that you can answer this question.
Yeah, 75% voted. I want everyone to vote it. I want everybody to active during the session. This is a 1 hour session. See, student.
This will
Yeah,
be
I tell you.
recorded. Only 80% have voted till then.
See, my request to all the students. Okay, just vote it, then I will tell you. Okay, so 90% voted. I can make it off. I can close it. Yes, so I think yes, 93% are telling all of the above. Yes, so PLM main benefit is it will increase the revenue. Although there is a hashtag in this increase revenue, but its implementation also cost a lot. That's why most of the company are not going for the PLM implementation. Because जब हम लोग को मतलब scratch से PLM अगर कोई company में लगाना है, so it's as a revenue. You need to put a lot of money in it. You need to invest a lot of money. Then only it will increase the revenue after some period, payback period. Okay. Yes, it reduces the product cost 1%. So maximize product portfolio. So 93% that D is the right answer, all of the above, because it is increasing revenue, it is reducing product cost, and it's also maximizing product portfolio. Okay. Okay, so yes. So I just want to tell you one thing, student. See, तुम लोगों को अभी lecture 132 attendees are there, and you can see my screen only 90, almost 80% have responded. But I want 20% of the student also should respond to this. I've given you one entry level survey form just to understand how you are doing. You can see in your Moodle, you can see in your Moodle there is an entry level survey form, and today or by tomorrow I will also put one introduction video for this PLM. You can just go through it, and I'll be putting a lot of good things. Some of your seniors have given a feedback about the PLM, so I'll put in that video. So you will like it, that video also. You will just you see it up or day after tomorrow. But I request everyone, there are 132 attendees today. So I got responses from only 93%, 93 students. That is very good. 80% have voted, but I want everybody to vote it by the end of the day today. See why I'm telling you this thing. तुम लोग अभी घर पे हो, अभी सब लोग आराम से घर पे हो, तुम लोग कॉलेज जाना नहीं, but it's a loss also some way. You're not meeting your friends and you're not discussing with your friends. But whatever lectures are going on, attend it seriously and do it seriously. Because अगर तुम लोग नहीं करोगे तो हमारा कुछ नुकसान नहीं है, हम लोग पढ़ा के चले जाएंगे, पढ़ा के निकल जाएंगे, तुम लोगों का लॉस है. And your batch is very critical this year. The skills, the more skill you acquire, the more will be beneficial to you, because the companies after this year they will select very suitable students, very selective students. Okay, they will not select all. That is the first criteria, and you know, because of this COVID, many jobs are less, or jobs are reduced in the market. Okay, so whatever you are doing, do it best. That's what I mean to say. Okay, so I'll just show you one slide today, and then we'll just end the today's session. Rupesh, is there any questions from the student?
No, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. So just so product lifecycle management. So this thing we will discuss more detail in the next session. I'll just show you the brief point so that there is some take home for you. So business activity for managing in the most effective way for the company product all the way across the life cycle. This is a very simple layman definition. It manages both individual product and product portfolios. Product portfolio I've told you, like for Maruti sedan, hatchback. So in that there are various products. So that is a portfolio. So these are some of the very important objectives of the PLM. Increases product revenue, reduce his product related cost. This maximize the value of product portfolio, maximize the value of current and future product for both customer and shareholder. These four objectives seems to be very simple and very lucid to hear. बहुत easy लग रहा है सुनने में, but इसके अंदर बहुत सारे details हैं. There are a lot of details inside this. So that we will be discussing in the further lecture. Okay. So I'll just check whether there are some questions.
One question.
Yes.
It is worth to invest in PLM for startup as it increase the capital requirement. What you can say?
Very good question. Very nice question. I was expecting from someone, because most of you are going for entrepreneurship. No, for a startup, it's not very good thing to invest in PLM, because startup, most of the revenue they need to use for operation, supply chain, salaries, and that all thing. So in the first 3 years, you don't need PLM, but after that, you can think of once your revenue increases. Okay, I'll just run the next poll question. Yeah. So everybody answer in the poll. Managing product and its portfolio is an easy task. जल्दी आंसर करो, फास्ट. जैसे हम लोग घर पे मैनेज करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल अभी तुम लोग सब घर पे, तो तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा ग्रोसरी लाना, वेजिटेबल लाना, कितना सिंपल काम है क्या सिंपल काम? No, it's not simple. Our parents used to do it, but it's not simple. Okay. So you will see, once you are at home now, you are completely locked down, so you know how much pain the parents are taking. Okay, so it's not very simple task. Okay, so same way. Oh, some of you are telling, 14% are telling yes. I think most of you are not working at home. So please help your parents and realize how it is difficult. Yes, so most of you are telling no, that is correct. Managing product and its portfolio is not easy. Okay, yes. So, okay, so managing product and portfolio is not easy, because there are a lot of things, a lot of headache. And someone who is running a startup, he will feel the pain of it. You just manage a home or managing own engineering is not easy. You just think you're doing BTech, but how many pains you have got from first year to last year? इतना किक मार के तुम लोग BTech तक आ गए, किक खा के. Okay, so अपना खुद का engineering करना इतना easy नहीं है. So think of, for a company, for product or its portfolio maintain करना बहुत difficult task है. It's a very difficult task. Okay, that's why PLM helps some industry which is grown up. Okay, it's not for the startup. So somebody grown up industry like JCB, they are going for PLM. That is very good. Some grown up company, Volkswagen, like Maruti, so they are grown up. They can go for it. Okay. So last 3 minutes are remaining, and we'll just have a last question or last poll question. Okay. Yes. So please give the last poll question, and that's the end of the day. Anybody has some question, you can please type in a chat box. And I've also made a WhatsApp group for you. So please, I request everybody to be active on the WhatsApp also, and please check your Moodle. Whatever activity I'm giving on the WhatsApp group related to Moodle, you need to complete on time. Okay.
Okay.
Because if you don't complete,
Yes,
then it will be very difficult to trace